Hello, and welcome to our channel, or welcome back. Today's house we love is what realtors in Italy call an earth to sky, which has been completely renovated. It's located in the hamlet of Prosano in the municipality of Arcevia, which is one of Italy's most beautiful villages. Arcevia is well known for its 9 castles and wonderful geographic location in the heart of the region of Marche. This 114 square metre property has 2 bedrooms in the main house, along with 1 bathroom. In the lower level, there is also a separate living space with an additional kitchen, bedroom and bathroom, which could be perfect for guests or used as a possible rental. There is also a patio and garden with views of the surrounding hills. Living here would be a wonderful opportunity to experience authentic village life well off the tourist path. It would also make a wonderful base to easily explore Marche, Umbria, San Marino and Abruzzo. While Marche is becoming increasingly popular with international buyers and visitors, it's still less well known than other surrounding regions. This home is less than an hour from Umbria and Ancona airports, and about an hour and a half from Rimini Airport. It's new on the market, and the asking price is €64,999. We hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, please contact the realtor directly. There's a link to their original listing in the video notes below. We'll be back soon with more beautiful, unique, habitable homes for sale in Italy under €150,000.